Your resume is your first impression, and HR often spend only a few seconds look at it. So a clean design and clear information can make a big difference. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional resume in just a few minutes using the Intelligent CV app. First, download the Intelligent CV app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and choose Create New Profile, and you can edit your CV many times. Next, enter your personal information like your name or email or phone number and short professional summary. Keep it simple and focused. Now, add your work experience, write your job title, company name, and what you did in each role. Use strong action words like managed, developed, and created. After that, add your education and skills. List your degrees, certification, and important skills like communication, programming, or marketing. You will find many templates, modern and professional designs. You can customize the colors, fonts, and layout to make your resume look clean and professional. When you're done, export your resume as a PDF and send it directly to employers. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have a professional resume ready to impress. If you find this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and productivity tools. See you in the next video.